Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Maniyo Drawing. Today I draw a cute drawing, Peppa Pig and Sheep drawing. Draw with me. Now I draw telephone drawing. Her cheeks and her mouth. And her body. Now I draw a dress. I draw a hand. Now I draw her cute tail and legs. Telephone wire. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my cute and sweet videos. Don't forget to subscribe. And I am draw table phone. Now I draw a Peppa Pig drawing. So cute Peppa Pig drawing. Peppa Pig drawing. Now draw his phone. My drawing is complete. Now it's coloring time. Let's color pink color.